Nanjing has a population of 8 million, growing fast. Already, traffic volume is immense, making it a huge challenge for the city government to ensure mobility of its citizens.
We want to help the government, help the people first to measure, to understand the traffic. Because if we can't measure it, we can't manage it.
Together with SAP, the city of Nanjing developed a next-generation solution. This includes sensors in all taxis and buses, as well as RFID chips in travel cards, all communicating automatically with traffic cameras. To make sense of the data, the SAP Innovation Center in Nanjing is using advanced analytical algorithms on the SAP HANA platform to provide a traffic performance index system. All information flows together in one huge digital map at the Smarter Nanjing Center.
In total, in our platform, in our big data traffic platform, it processes over 100 million records per day.
This helps the city in its traffic planning process and allows for fast response to traffic congestions and prediction of patterns.
For example, if there's an event, football match, or some kind of exhibitions, where the people will come from. And when they leave, where will they go?
The analysis happens in a closed-loop process through smart learning functionality, which learns from prior patterns. All this to make commuting easier for the people of Nanjing.
We publish the result real-time to a mobile application, so the citizens can read the real-time data to plan their travel more smoothly.
Smart data technology from SAP to improve the lives of commuters not only in China, but in megacities around the world.